Y'all, today I'm tasting weird thru-hiker meals so that you don't have to. You're welcome. Hey y'all, welcome back. My name is Jeffrey. Now, if you have ever wondered about all the weird and wild food that thru-hikers eat on the trail to fuel those crazy long days, well, you're in for a treat, literally. Well, maybe, I don't know. We're gonna find out if it's a treat or not. Today, I am going to taste test 4 thru-hiker trail recipes that I've never tried before. As I prepare for a Continental Divide Trail thru-hike, I am rethinking my food, trying to think about what worked on the PCT, what didn't, what I want to change, what new things I want to try. So we're going to dive into some of these today and see if they're going to make the cut or not. One of them is huge. I'll save it for last. One of them I can't believe I've never tried. Maybe the most popular ad hoc thru-hiker meal, but I've never had it, so we're gonna taste it today. So stick around, I'm gonna rate these and figure out what I'm gonna take on the CDT. And don't forget to subscribe for all my silly tomfoolery. And the links are below if you're interested in any of the items that are on my thru-hike gear list, or if you wanna check out my group trips, that link's down there as well. Okay, let's do this. Now, trail food has one job on the trail, and that is to keep you fueled without weighing you down. Now, these meals are all apparently thru-hiker staples because they're lightweight, they're pretty calorie dense, and maybe most importantly, the bulk of the items are in any typical resupply. There are a few things here that you won't find at some of the more minimal resupply options, at least on the PCT. But for the most part, this is all stuff that you're gonna have access to pretty easily on the trail. So which one do you think is gonna taste the best? When we get to the end, I wanna know. And then I also want your suggestions. Honestly, these aren't that weird. There's much weirder things I've heard of people eating on the trail. So leave those in the comments below. This probably won't be the last of these videos I do, and we'll see how weird I'm willing to get. I don't know. Give me your ideas and then we'll see. Okay, so the first thing that I'm making is just, it's instant. It's like it's instant rice, peanut butter, and soy sauce. Whoops. And soy sauce. So I guess kind of like a pad thai situation. Now I'm just making a little small amount. This is instant rice, minute rice, and this cooks insanely fast. It also cold soaks very quickly. Got a little hot water here. I'm just gonna let that rice soak for a couple minutes while I get everything else ready, and we'll be right back. It's gonna be fast. You know, I'll time how long it takes. Go. Okay, it was a failed test because I forgot what time it was when it started, but I don't know, it was just a few minutes. So I'm not measuring anything. I didn't see any quantities, and I don't know how on earth you'd really measure things very well on the trail. So I'm just gonna put a little dollop. I'm just making a little amount here, so this also is not, this is not how, this is gonna get salty fast. I think not much. I don't know. Let's see. So this is what we're working with, and then I'll mix it up. Oh, I think that was too much peanut butter. I don't know. Oh, smells very peanut buttery right now. I think I went a little too far with the peanut butter. And the soy sauce is making it a little juicy. Like a little, I guess you wanted a little liquidy. I don't know. Okay, this is what it looks like. That had peanut butter, so I'm gonna get that off. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. It has like a pad thai vibe. The rice is weird. I feel like I'd want to add some protein, but I'm vegetarian, so I could add some soy curls or something. But yeah, it's good. It's decent. I would totally do that. Soy sauce. It's actually really easy to take on the trail because you can get the little packets. There's so many sauces and things that come in little packets, and they're really great for thru-hiking. It's a great way to get a tiny amount of something onto the trail. So I give this a 6. It was fine. It was fine. It was fine. Okay, next up we are making a tortilla pizza, I guess I'll call it. Tortillas are easy to get on the trail. That's no problem. One thing that I'm a little concerned about is the pizza sauce. I didn't have pizza sauce, so this is just marinara, but I'm sure I won't be able to tell the difference. Apparently there are small things, squeeze things of pizza sauce. I don't know, I've never seen them and I couldn't find them. If you can find them, maybe this is practical, but I don't really know how this is gonna happen on the trail, but I don't know. People are doing it apparently. I think, well, I'm gonna add some cheese, but the thing is, I probably wouldn't have this kind of cheese on the trail. I would probably have string cheese, probably, or some kind of cheese strips. Oh, that's molded. No, it's not. Yes, it is. I'll be back. Hello. Hey, if you are sitting there thinking, oh, I want to travel more, I want to go on more adventures, come with me. I host trips around the world. We've been hiking in Patagonia. We went looking for the Northern Lights in Iceland, trekking in Nepal, camping in Banff, Canada, in the Canadian Rockies. We do it all, and we have a real good time. Everyone's welcome, and all the details for any current trips, just click that little bubble up in the top corner, or go to my website, jjb.life/travel. And we almost always make at least one group cringy TikTok. So come hang out with us. We're a real good time. Okay, I thought I grabbed the new cheese, and I grabbed the cheese that was lurking in the back of the fridge. I should have known better. All right. I'm also going to add, I don't eat meat, but for the people, that'd be a great excuse. I haven't had pepperoni in a while, so I wanted to try some. The only thing is, if you do get pepperoni, just make sure that it's the shelf stable. The stuff that's in the refrigerated section in the slightly different packaging is not gonna be okay out of the fridge for very long. So let's just put a few of these on here. I mean, this is gonna be good. I think you could put anything in here. You could put cheese in here. You could put, if you were bringing like summer sausage, like that type of thing, you know? I mean, this is gonna be good, of course. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, pepperoni is good. Yeah, that's good. That's I don't know how you're gonna get pizza sauce. If there's an easy pizza sauce solution, that's great. 8. Okay, next up, this is I don't know. I think this is kind of a weird one. This is a Idahoan mashed potato wrap. So we're gonna make some instant mashed potatoes. These are so popular on the trail. You know, I thought I was gonna eat a lot of them, but I kind of, I got sick of them really quickly. I don't love them cold soaked, and I just wasn't in the mood to cook often. Or if I was in the mood to cook, I wasn't in the mood to have something warm, you know? So these, I'm just gonna heat that water up again. These are gonna rehydrate so quickly. If you cold soak, they're really great for cold soaking. I mean, it's almost instantaneous, which actually, I don't know why I don't need that to boil. It's already warm. So I'm just gonna add a little of that in there. These absorb so much water. I always think that I'm putting too much water in there, and that's never the case. They absorb so much water. So you can add, you know, anything to this. Cheese would be a good one. I don't have any more cheese out here that's not moldy. Gross. But you also could do bacon bits. So a little known fact, these cheap bacon bits are vegetarian. They're made out of soy with just a bunch of like smoky, bacony type ingredients, but they're vegetarian. Probably even vegan. I don't know. But I'm gonna put some in here. I would also love some cheese. Gosh, you could also put some like beef jerky or something in here. That would be good. You could do lots of things. But let's put some of these in here. I'm gonna put a lot. I don't know about this carbs on carbs on carbs situation. I don't know. What do we think? It's probably going to be good. It's good. It's really good. It'd be really good if you eat meat, have real bacon. I mean, these are great, but real bacon would be better. Cheese, meat, Fritos. Fritos would be good in there. Make some texture. Yeah. Okay. A 5. It's fine. Okay, last is a trail favorite, and that is a Ramen Bomb. And I don't know how I managed never to have one on my PCT Thru-Hike, but I didn't. I never tried it. So that's what we're gonna do. Hey, I host group trips. We go all over the world. They usually have a hiking or outdoor bend of some sort. Sometimes they're more adventurous, sometimes they're more leisurely. And now I have one to Banff, but the link is in the description. You should probably check it out. If you've been thinking, oh, I want to go on adventures, but I don't have like the right people to go with, or nobody wants to go where I want to go and do what I want to go, come with us. We have a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm just putting this ramen in here, and I'm gonna put this seasoning packet in here. This is the chili flavor. It's one of the vegetarian ramens. You know, I don't really know I don't know the process. I don't imagine that it matters too much. I think I'm gonna put it all in at once. I don't know. The thing is the mashed potatoes are they're gonna go fast. So I don't know. This is boiling or just under boiling. That's what it looks like before. That last jar was a Talenti cold soak. Well, it was a Talenti jar. It's what most people use for cold soaking jars because they're great. They last a long time. They seal well, and they're everywhere. You can get them everywhere. But if for some reason you don't want to do that, you can also order these. I think I ordered this on Garage Grown Gear, but I'm sure there's lots of places you could get little containers like this. All right, so I'm just letting that liquid soften the noodles, but you know what I think? I think that I'm gonna want more. I think I want more mashed potatoes, but I'm gonna wait until the noodles are softer because I think the second I put more mashed potatoes in, I think it's gonna get really gummy and weird. That's what I think. If you're cold soaking this, I don't know, but I'm guessing that you'd probably wanna soak your ramen first and then at the end or near the end, add your mashed potatoes. I feel like it's just gonna turn into a big ball otherwise, but maybe that's the point. Does anyone know? Is that the point? Okay, I'll be back when these cook. They're taking longer than I expected. Okay, our nudes are soft. You know, one interesting thing is, I don't know if, yeah, I guess you can. I was gonna say, I don't know how long you can wait to add the mashed potatoes because the water is gonna cool, but I've cold soaked them so many times and it doesn't matter. They still rehydrate so quickly. So I don't think it matters. All right. Excuse me. I don't know how much of this to add. So I'm just adding some. Oh, there we go. It's getting gunky. I think that's the goal, isn't it? And I think it needs more though. I don't think it's gunky enough. No. Yeah, it's just, this is what it's been like when I've seen it in the past. Gunky. Okay. Let's try it. I can't imagine it's gonna be bad, but you never know. This is weird. It's so good. It's so good. But it is so salty. It is so salty, which is exactly what you want on the trail. It's what you want and what you need. You need those electrolytes. Ooh, it's too salty for real life, but it's really good. Oh, that's good. But that salt, that sodium, y'all, I'm gonna be swole up. Oh, man. Okay. All right. That's really good. This is a 9. This wins for sure. I'd like to enhance it. I bet there's other stuff you could do. I mean, not that it needs more flavor, but I bet you could add more nutrition at the very least, right? Okay, hey. All the links are in the description. Go get them, but don't forget to subscribe. It makes a big difference, number 1, for the channel, and 2, it'll make sure that you always know when I'm posting a new video, so go do it. Bye. Want to watch another video? Click here. Want to learn more about my upcoming trips? Click here. Want to subscribe and like all my videos and turn those bell notifications on?